The mission of the Colorado Orthodontic Foundation is to provide orthodontic care and education to as many financially challenged families and children as possible. Colorado has a large population of children who have limited financial resources. It is evident that over 400,000 children qualify for free or reduced lunches. This means that they are living below the poverty line or in low-income families. These children under normal circumstances wouldn't ever have access to not only dental care but also orthodontic care. So this is an amazing opportunity that the Colorado Orthodontic Foundation can provide to these families and these children to give them orthodontic care, to help them become more confident in who they are and to be leaders in the community.
I was around 5th grade, and I would get teased sometimes for the teeth, and also, you know, I wanted a beautiful smile and sparkly and everything, and so I decided to get braces.
When we started the Colorado Orthodontic Foundation, we knew that there was a need for orthodontics. We didn't know how great the need was until our first screening day. We had screened over 50 patients, and of those 50 patients, 42 qualified for treatment. So the need is there, and the need continues to grow.
For a lot of the children coming in, they're pretty shy. And I wonder if it's part of some of the process that they're going through in the beginning in terms of oral health care. I'm really interested on the back end to see where we're at the end of these treatments, to see how much more personality we can see out of these children, because I'd be willing to bet we'll see more smiling, we'll see more of that personality coming out.
Okay, Mar, we'll finish tying in. This guy's rocking and rolling.
They would rather have their braces than anything. One kid was given the option of a bike or his braces, and he chose braces over a bike. So it's a big priority for them, and the kids aren't necessarily excited about having the braces, but they're excited about having the straight teeth and looking good and being able to smile without hiding their teeth anymore.
The transformation that occurs during the orthodontics is amazing. I mean, you can just tell by the end of the treatment, you know, they're so excited. Their teeth are straight, they have more self-confidence. Just to see the kids go through that, and it builds their confidence so much, especially going through the difficult adolescent years. I mean, to be able to provide the treatment before they even go to high school is huge.
A beautiful smile brings like confidence to you, or attracts people to you, and you know, that's something that I want. I mean, I want a nice career and for my future, and I want to have a lot of people around me.
It's a gift of a lifetime. I always tell my patients, you know, your parents are giving you this amazing gift. If you wear your retainers, you shouldn't have to go back into braces, and you can preserve that result for your whole life and get to enjoy the benefits of that. There's very few things in life that are like that.
How you feeling? Good. It's okay?
Typically in a private practice setting, an orthodontic fee can range from $4,000 to upwards of $8,000. Through the Colorado Orthodontic Foundation, we can provide orthodontics anywhere from $500 to $1,000. This is a dramatic price reduction in a normal fee schedule, and thanks to partnerships with organizations such as Rocky Mountain Orthodontics, they make something like this possible.
So the costs are very minimal, and spreading those costs out over a 2-year time period is very affordable, and it also holds the patients and parents accountable for coming in each month to get their wires changed, to change their ligatures, and to do some adjustments to keep their progress moving forward.
This organization is orthodontists who have other practices, they have other jobs, and they're just taking time out of their schedule. They're providing supplies, they're providing staff, and they're just helping the community where they are. Some people can afford to have orthodontic treatment, and other people it's a bigger struggle, and so they would like everybody to have the same opportunity and get the same level of care. This is your left side.
There are a lot of ways to help the Colorado Orthodontic Foundation. As an orthodontist, we can volunteer time, and we can help specifically in clinical settings. As an orthodontic assistant or as a staff member, we're always looking for help in terms of paperwork, in terms of assisting the orthodontists that are seeing the patients. And even if you're not in the dental profession, donations or any free volunteer time would go a mile, and these are kids' lives and kids' smiles that we are changing here in Colorado.
I think the impact could be enormous for any help that we receive from any other foundation or grants or donations. We can expand our services. We can staff a clinic full-time We can do more awareness and education and teaching the public, especially the underprivileged children out there, about what is orthodontics, what do they need to look for, how can they benefit from orthodontics and dental care.
We have a waiting list for kids that we need to refer out to dentists, to orthodontists in the community, and we are looking to find orthodontists who will help us in that way.
You have to do it in between every tooth.
It's pretty empowering when you see someone who goes from not being able to smile or feeling confident about smiling to actually give a smile. Even greater than that is getting a smile back for a lot of these kids. We can be a part of instilling confidence in children. These could be tomorrow's leaders, and we're excited to just be one small part of that process.
In a long-term plan, it would be fantastic if every single state had a similar orthodontic foundation. So we are looking to build this in creative ways, and we want to make sure that orthodontics is not a luxury item, but we want to make sure that there's no smile that goes untreated.
We're very proud in being a part of or partners with the Colorado Orthodontic Foundation, and we would love and challenge all the local orthodontists to join us in this effort to make this dream a reality.